When I think about a leader, someone like you in your leadership role, I think about how often you focus on everyone else. But what about focusing on you with one on one coaching? You spend your days pouring into others, leading teams, solving problems, carrying responsibility, and showing up for the people who count on you. But somewhere along the way, your own well being gets pushed to the bottom of the list. Yes, your job is intrinsically rewarding. And you likely went into this because you believe in people and want to make a difference. And you work long hours, burning the candle at both ends. You're eating on the go and you're skipping your exercise class. You bring stress home and your laptop is open on the kitchen table. You try your best at managing competing commitments of family, fun, work, and health. And there's only so much time in your day. You invest in your professional growth through books and training and workshops, yet you're ignoring your own health, your own peace, and the life you truly want to live. Here's the truth. When you invest in yourself, everything changes. You perform better and you lead better and you live better. You feel more fulfilled and you avoid burnout and you're serving others from a healthier, stronger place. You become an even stronger servant leader for the people you care about the most. And bottom line, by transforming yourself, you will transform others. That's why I do this work. I know this life because I've lived it. And what's unique about coaching with me is the power of and. I bring rigorous coach training and real life leadership experiences. So when we work together, you get someone who not only understands the coaching process, but also understands the real demands of leadership because I've lived them. In other words, you're not getting someone who has leadership experience but doesn't have formal coach training, nor are you getting someone certified as a professional coach but who has never walked in your shoes. I bring both. Research shows that coaching works. I've seen it work with the people I've had the privilege to coach, and I've experienced transformation firsthand by working with a coach myself. When you think about it, the best doctors see doctors to ensure their own health and wellness. The best leaders have coaches to help them thrive as leaders and experience fulfillment professionally and personally. This is your time. This is your moment. Don't lose out on living a fulfilled life professionally and personally. Reach out and let's connect to see if it's the right fit. I work with a limited number of coaching partnerships at a time, ones that I can commit to ensuring depth, discretion, and measurable progress. It would be an honor to partner with you.